We can't slip through? Oh, man.
But everybody's not on off-road motorcycles.
Just drive through here already. We've had to call the police.
Is it because the DOT guy's there?
He's under me, so it's not because of him. Yeah, we've had to get law enforcement involved.
We're doing this thing called the TransAmerica Trail. It goes from the West Coast to the East Coast.
No, the East Coast to the West Coast.
Well, it goes both ways. So anyway, this was the road. So we were just trying to stay on it.
I let you guys. Y'all come back, please.
You are the man.
You will never see us again.
Literally, we're just coming from the ocean and we're just going, so we won't come through again.
All right, go ahead, Chris. Make friends everywhere.
You are the man. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Awesome. Hey, it's all in how you ask.
It's all about being nice, isn't it?
Oh my God. Yeah, we could have been an ass about it and he would have just told us to F off.
That was very nice of him, I thought.
Oh yeah.
Well, cool. That ought to make the video.